What's up, guys? Going on a walk today in the park. Oop, messed up. Oops. Exit. I guess there's a second entrance over there. Whoops. So I was looking on Google Maps and they say that there's water somewhere behind this hill, and if there's an easy way to get to it, I'm gonna take a look. But from what I could see, looks like I'm gonna have to walk through some tall grass, which may not happen, but we'll see. Kind of want to see where the end of this trail goes though. There is a public lake over there, but even early in the day there's still people over there, and I just don't want to be flipping around people. Oh, looks like some bikers may be joining us on the trail. Okay. I think we're good. There might be water back there. I'm just not sure. I think I'm gonna turn around here because the only thing at that exit is a fence and a car that's empty, so I don't want to be flipping a knife around that. But yeah. Oops. Ugh. Oh, there's a family here. I gotta stop flipping my knife. Wow. Yeah, there's a family walking their dog. It was looked like father and daughter. I didn't want to be flipping around them. So, you know what piques my interest though is I saw there's water back there, and I see that they're on that trail, and I don't know how they got to that part. Looks like they may be exiting over there, but I'm telling you right now, the grass is too tall, and both of them are wearing shorts. There's no way they walked in that grass. So there probably is an entrance over there somewhere. Or they really did walk through the grass, or they entered a place where it was easier, like maybe around here, and then I'm guessing maybe they're exiting through the grass. Probably. Or maybe it's not as tall as I think. On camera it might not look like it's tall at all because this is a GoPro, but the distance is much farther than it looks on camera, and this stuff is taller than it looks on camera. So well, there actually may be an easy entrance over here. Oops. I went to start a rollover, rolled right out of my hand. Here, let's give that another shot. Redemption right there. Huh. You know, there might really be water back there. I think I see a sign. It either says no swimming or no trespassing. We're gonna go find out. As long as we don't pass the sign, we should be fine. But the grass is pretty short around this area. And if we see a sign, normally means there might be a trail that we either can or can't go on. So let's go figure it out. I'm just watching out for ant piles, like that one. Okay. All right. So there is a trail back there. The sign says no trespassing. And it makes me wonder, the only way to get on that trail is right there, and that's where that the father and daughter and dog were walking from. So yeah, they trespassed, so got him. I mean, I can go do it too. I don't think there's cops for miles, but yeah, we're just not going to. Because what if today is super duper undercover no trespassing day where there's a bunch of SWAT in the bushes? Not worth it. Although I see another entrance over here with no sign. Oh, I actually do see water. Hold on, you know what? We're gonna go check this one out. Because the no trespassing sign is over by the gate. But there's a little entrance through nature over here where I could see some water. So we're gonna go check this one out real quick. I even see some tire tracks. Let's go check this out. Oh yeah, there's definitely water back here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's definitely water. This grass is too tall for me to walk through. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like hip height. So that fan didn't go all the way around. All right, here's a little nice spot. Surrounded by the trees a little bit. I mean, there's an open trail there, but right here we got some sun coming up and we're surrounded by trees. This is a nice little spot right here. Makes me feel like I'm actually submerged in nature. You know, until some man pops out of the bush here and asks me for $1. Hold on. Oh wow. Pretty nice. Oop, almost dropped it there. Oh, it's the same father, daughter, and dog over there. We know they trespassed. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna be like, I know you guys trespassed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a Karen. All right. I think they know I'm flipping, but I just don't want to do it close to them. Oops. I don't know what field this is up ahead. There's some caution tape cutting this off. Looks like the flat grass still goes back here. I think this is the main street now. So I should head back to the rocky road soon. Oop. I feel like when I start the rollover from the closed position, I don't know if that's, let me see, is that the wind? Oh yeah, that might have been the wind or the way I tossed it. I don't even know. Oop. That felt like the wind. I think it's time to head back. This is a nice park. It's not too packed. Oh, I think we have a closer exit here. Oh. Oh, I wanted to try some parabolics. Here, I'll give it another shot. But nope. Let's try from an open position. Oh, nope. That would have been my hand if this was real. Alright, one more try. Whatever, cool enough. There you go, speed on a public road in a park. That ought to help. What a guy. Man, he's still going too. Aw. Well, we are coming up to our exit pretty soon, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this longer video of me just randomly flipping and walking around. I'll be bringing you more content like this. because I actually enjoy this. Nice walk and some flipping. But anyway, there you go.